Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to order food in English. Do you know how to do that? Usually, when you get to a restaurant and have a seat, a waiter or a waitress might come to you. They might say, "What would you like?" And your response would be, "I would like," plus the dish name, please. For example, "I would like jollof rice and chicken, please." You can also say, "I would like some salad, please." Then, after your initial order, you might need something else. Could I have, or could I have more pepper, please? Could I have a sauce on the side? Could I have more fries, please? Sometimes you might have some clarification questions. If I say that very soup, what's in the soup? If it's rice or with sauce, is the stew spicy? Does this contain nuts if you are allergic to nut, for example? Now, when you get your food, and then you can say thank you. And then if you have additional needs, you can say, "Excuse me, I need an extra spoon, or I need an extra fork, or I need a knife." Then when you're done eating, you can just say thank you for the meal. And then in the United States, you might leave a tip. I hope you learned something in this short video. Thank you for watching and happy learning.